Hello students, welcome again in our 7th lecture, and this is the continuation of the first chapter of the supplementary textbook. I have already started it. Now we will continue this chapter in this lecture. So as you know the story of this chapter, its name is Third Level. It is written by Jack Finney, and the main characters of this story are Charlie, Sam and his wife Louise. So this type of characters and how the time, we can say that intersection of time and space is given here. You know, in today's era, our life become we filled with, we can say our life is filled with that stress, insecurity, fear in our mind, and because of this, all the people are looking for to escape from the reality and they are searching something new or imaginary. So students, the life is insecure, you know, and we can't live a life, we can say that worth living life. It is not possible in today's time. So here Charlie is a person, he is facing the same problem, so that whatever the fantasy level he is having or in the imaginary world he wants to meet or he wants to visit, so that is why the writer called it the third level. Actually, Charlie was living in level 1 and level 2. Okay, means the present situation wherever we are now. And the third level is the level, it denotes the fantasies or the imaginary world which actually not existed. But only Charlie is a person that he is visited that place and he want to visit again. So third level refers to the subway actually. Suppose you come the question come to you, what is third level refers to? So third level refers to we can say a subway of the Grand Central Station. Okay, and here on that subway, whenever the Charlie used one day, because he was in a hurry to reach home, and he found the way subway, and it is, we can say that magical, because only there he found the third level and he come with the third level. So whenever he visited the third level, yesterday in my previous lecture I already explained it. Whenever he experienced the third level, he found that everything was very different. It was the era of 1890s, and second time he wished to visit the third level again, but he couldn't get that level again. And his wife Louisa get afraid that why the Charlie is looking only for the third level. Actually, she means her wish is not like that Charlie again went to that third level and visit the same thing. That is why for the diversion of his mind, what she had done, diverted the mind of the Charlie, and Charlie went return and he again spent his leisure activity in the stamp collection. You know that I told you Charlie has a hobby of collecting the stamps. So Charlie collecting the stamps, and whenever he went there in the post box ahead of his house, and he found the letters. On the first day he found that some papers are blank, but the mystery of this for Charlie is that he found the letter, it is written by Sam. Okay, and Sam has written this letter on the address, he addressed to grandfather, Charlie's grandfather. And whenever that, we can say the Charlie was surprised. When? Because whenever he looked over the date was 18 July 1894. Okay, he found the date over that letter and he was surprised. So what is happening here? I am in first and second level, and why I am able to see the third level's scenery? And because of this, he is surprised. And again, he tried to read the letter, and whenever he had read the letter, he found that Sam was inviting him and his wife to live in the third level because he already started to live in the third level. So reading this, Charlie was surprised. Charlie thought that what the Sam is doing. Actually, Sam is a psychiatrist, and consequently he was the friend of him. That is why Sam is calling them or inviting the couple to spend their lives or to live worth living life in the third level. And actually Sam started to live the life, and currency. That is why Sam exchanged his new currency with older one worth rupees $800. Okay, and Charlie also exchanged the new currency with old one about $300. Okay, so whenever they exchange the money, means present money, they exchange with the old currency. Why? Because they have to visit the third level again and they have to spend some time there. And that is why they exchange that currency also. And here I have written over here, whenever Charlie found the letter, he found the stamp of President Garfield. It is an older one. Nowadays the president was different and Garfield was the oldest, we can say that former president. So again Charlie was surprised. How is it possible? What happening to me? He had made a talk with Sam also and Sam said to him, what the name Sam has given for Charlie? Just tell me, because yesterday I told you. What is the name? That waking dream wish fulfillment. Sam told Charlie that you are facing from the problem named waking dream wish fulfillment. Means whatever your future, we can say that the fantasies are far further and we are making them true, or maybe they would the reality also. Whatever we are thinking, that becomes happening in the nearby future. This is the reality. That is why I have written here. It shows the intersection of time and space. Whatever the illogical thinking we are thinking always. So because of it, it is the intersection of time and space. Whatever the, we can see the fantasies are far reaching to us and it becomes then realities in the future also. Whatever you are thinking, you will be the person in the future. So Charlie has some ambitions in his life. He wanted to fulfill the ambitions also. Maybe that is why he is, we can say that, experiencing the third level. Okay, isn't it? And here students, whenever both husband and wife, every weekend, they spend to look for the third level. Means every weekend, they just went outside and they were looking for the third level. But actually they were not getting the third level. Now, whenever the architecture, the Charlie witnessed, whatever the architecture Charlie witnessed, it was totally different than that of the first and second level architecture. You know that in the architecture also we can find the changes. The architecture, the building style, okay, sculpture, all is getting changed. So Charlie found that in first and second level, the architecture is totally different. The building, this construction, all the roads, construction, all is different. But whenever he went in the third level, he found that it was the old construction. And this is witnessed by Charlie. So he became firm on his decision that definitely third level is a level, that is the world, we can say. Third level world is present over here in this world, because I visited that world and I experienced and felt lot of things there. So he every weekend they used to go there looking for the third level, but they are failed because such level is not existed. Only it is the imagination of the Charlie's mind that he is getting, or he is curious to visit again the third level. So whenever he found that the architecture was totally different than that of the today's era, okay. Then next one is dressing style. This is also same students. As soon as the world is changing, as soon as the centuries are going and going ahead, the people's lifestyle is also getting changed. Okay. So here, whenever he saw the dressing styles of the people, he found that in first and second level, the people used to wear the same clothes that of the Charlie and Sam is wearing. But whenever he visited in the third level, he found that all the people, men and women, including children, had worn different clothing style. Okay, it would be he read in the textbook, in the any textbook or in the books only. But now he found that no one is wearing such type of clothes. So again he got shocked. Okay, then here ahead topic is illogical thinking. I told you that illogical thinking is an intersection of time and space. Here the fantasies are far-reaching and they have become the realities in future. Whatever we are thinking, it becomes true. Okay, so same Charlie also. And whenever Sam invited him to live there, so he again got surprised that what the Sam is telling to him. Actually, at first, what Sam told to him that such type of level is not existed. Then, whenever he looked Sam in the third level, he got surprised that what the Sam is doing here. As Sam is telling me, you are suffering from the disease named waking dream wish fulfillment, and why you are doing here? What you are doing here? So that Charlie was surprised. And the next surprise is that students, the newspaper named The World. Again, what he had seen, he saw the newspaper, the vendor was selling there, and he saw the name of the newspaper is The World. That was presently they are having the newspaper, same newspaper, but he was shocked when he found that the date 11th July 1894 was written there. Whenever Charlie saw the newspaper named The World with a vendor, he got surprised because the date was written over that paper 11th July 1894. Again Charlie got confused. What is happening with me? As I am living in the first and second world, then why I am experiencing all the things that are existed in the third level? So that is we can say that he is just making the balance of first level, first, second and third level. So Charlie had made the same balance and he found that again he got confusion in his mind. So in the last stanza, it is given that students, in the story, there is an intersection of time and space as I told you. The first two levels of the Grand Central Station were in present, while the third existed in 1890s. And Charlie and his wife lived in the present moment. Yet, they rushed to get old currency to buy tickets to go to the Gettysburg of 1894. As I told you, they are very curious and to know they wanted to visit the third level again. That is why they exchanged their new currency with the old one and bought the tickets and they went to the journey of again Gettysburg of 1894. And the old architecture witnessed by Charlie on the third level was different from the modern architecture on the first and second level. When he found that, as I told you, the architecture was also very different. The people on the first and the second level were dressed like him. But the people on the third level were dressed in the clothes of 1890s. The newspaper, The World, that Charlie saw with the vendor on the third level was dated June, here I have written July, June 11th June 1894, and this overlapped his real-time existence and world. Here, the Charlie is getting overlapped because he has a confusion in his mind that he is living in the present world, then why he is experiencing the third world. Okay, so he got the overlapping in his mind, confusion we can say, and that is why he is saying that also the letter mailed by the Sam, the secretary, was mailed to Charlie's grandfather, and the story here proves that, means the story here proves that the illogical thinking may not be useless as it could have a large bearing on the future projections. This is the main point. Again I will read this. Here the story proves that the illogical thinking may not be useless as it could have a large bearing on the future projections. Means as I told you, whatever the fantasies we are doing, they may be true or they may be proved fact in the future ones or in the future events. Something you are experiencing also in your daily life. Whatever you are making things in your imagination, they comes true. Okay, in the future, in the near future we can say. So the here, whatever because of the illogical thinking the Charlie is having, whatever he is experiencing in the third level, it may be true in future, nearby future. Means whatever the future projections he is doing, it be proves true. So the future which were considered far-fetched may become reality in the future it wouldn't be incorrect to say that a time may come when the railway stations would be fitted with a time machine that would make the travel into different time zones possible. Very nice line. The last it is given. The writer is saying that as whatever is happening with Charlie, it is totally imaginable. Okay, he is experiencing, he is facing the reality also. Sometimes he is thinking that this is the reality of, he is thinking that this is the reality of himself, and that is why whenever at the last line Jack has means we can say that just make the water line for the understanding of the whole lesson, that maybe after some time we can, if we are traveling through train from getting one time means from one or sorry we are traveling through train from going to one place to another, but the author is saying that here the time is very near to us, that if you want to travel through the time machine that may be fitted in the train, and we can easily experience the journey through the time machine from one generation to another. Have you seen that Doraemon? Okay, कभी तुम लोगों ने देखा होगा Doraemon. In that Doraemon, that Nobita is traveling through the time machine only. देखा है कभी? तब whenever the Nobita was experiencing that this was the real, actually whatever the Nobita was experiencing, it is a imaginary world, but he is thinking that this is the real one. The same thing is happening with Charlie. So Doraemon is the best example here. So here Charlie is, we can say Charlie went through time machine in the different world. At the time of his forefathers, he was not there, but then also he is experiencing the same world, and sometimes he has a curiosity in his mind to find that word again, but he is not getting that word again. Why? Because this is just the fantasy he has made in his mind. And here students, this is the end of the chapter here, because the time is very near to us, that nowadays what is the situation, that we are not giving enough time to our family members. We are not meeting our mother and father every day. Whenever our father are coming at that time, whenever our father comes at that time, already we are slept, and whenever in the morning we are getting up, father already went to the job. Means it is very hard life. That is why in our today's life, Sunday has its own importance. Everybody is waiting for the Sunday. Why? Because all the days from Monday to Saturday, they are very busy days. No one is getting mixed in the family. No one is taking the lunch together. No one is enjoying the events or the TV, whatever observations. So Sunday is a very important day for us. And in social media also we found that the old memories, the old days, all the people are putting that type of news. Okay, they are uploading. Why? Because nowadays we come to know that how the olden days are far better than today. Because in olden days the concept of nuclear family was not existed. All the family members were just living together. They were enjoying a lot. The grandmother or the grandfather used to tell the stories to their grandsons or granddaughters. And things, we can say that this is an enjoyable era. We are just playing the outdoor games. Okay. So means that is the much difference we are looking in the present era. And we want to go back in the past one. But this is not possible for us. Why? Because in present day, as I told you, everyone is very busy. No one has a time to spend or to talk a few words. Okay? So that all the people are getting sick and tired, and they want to get rid of their this insecurity and fear to some enjoyable moments, and that is why they are searching for, or they are looking for some enjoyable moments. And somewhat time, whenever the people are not getting them, they are experiencing that fantasy levels. They are experiencing it. Means they are thinking that such type of world, whatever they have imagined in their mind or they have made in their psychological thoughts, they are thinking that it would be true. This is the fact. This type of world is present here only. Means this is the fantasy that the Charlie has made here. And the same thing, the third level chapter has narrated very nicely. So students, you read this chapter because the question answers of the supplementary are coming. Okay. So Third level you know very well. The Charlie is a person. He is living in today's, that is in 2000. We are living 2020 we are. So he is in the nearby areas, but he is experiencing 18. Means the far before we can say. And he found that third level was most comfortable level. That world, third world was most comfortable world. All people are living very nicely. Peace is there, relations are there. Okay, they are giving or spending the time with their children. Okay, they are taking lunch and dinner together. So that is the difference Charlie found there, and that is why Charlie wished to live in the third level. And whenever he found that, the mystery is that whenever he found that the Sam was sent a letter to him, and in that letter he had written that Charlie has to come in the third level because it is very worth living. No tension, no worries are there. So that this is the best example of today's world and the world before is given by Jack. And we can say that very nice characters the Jack has taken here, and through this we can able to experience what is the difference between today's and the previous one. So here students, with this hope I am ending my chapter, and as you know the rule that parallel you can write the question answers, and the main thing is that you have to, again in my every lecture I am remembering you that to take purchase camp publication digest. This is very useful for you because all the grammatical part in the board exam is coming from the camp only. So take care.